lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulule SABC eAuckland Park eGoli bukele nazi ezinohlonze emininjeni.
The council is deeply shocked and disturbed at what appears to be a brazen act of assassination. We send deep condolences to his family and extended family.
Amaphoyisa aphenya isigameko sokudutshula kubulawa kesinye seziphathimandla zeNyuvesi Walter Sisulu Sinethemba Mpambane eMthatha eEastern Cape.
This I want to say to those who have come from other countries, that this is an institution that we are immensely proud of.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wethule inkulumo yosuku embuthaneni wokubhubha iminyaka engama-30 selokwethula ukusebenza kwenkantolo yomthethosisekelo eNingizimu Afrika.
We're also going to ask as to how should that political party be funded. So those are the questions that we're going to be asking different communities and constituencies.
Lo bengunobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uFloyd Chivambu uthi-ke uzoqala uhlelo maduze lokubuza-ke izakhamuzi zakuleli nezinhlaka ezehlukene ukuthi ingabe sikhona isidingo sokusungula-ke elinye iqembu lezombusazwe yize ethi ngeke esule njengelungu le-MKP.
On behalf of the team, players, management as well, just like to say thank you for all the appreciation that you've shown us.
Kwezemidlalo abalandeli bekhilikithi batheleke ngobuningi eNelson Mandela Square ukuze bezothola-ke ithuba lokubona-ke iqembu lesizwe iProteas ngemva kokuthi-ke libuye-ke nesicoco sokuqala se-ICC eminyakeni-ke engama-27 i-World Test Championship. Ukuthola kube kuwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo-ke la ku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Amaphoyisa esifundazweni iEastern Cape aphenye icala lokubulala emva kokudutshulwa kwesinye-ke sezikhulu eziphezulu eNyuvesi Walter Sisulu eMthatha. uSinethemba-ke Mpambane ubesebenza kophikweni iNelson Mandela Drive kuyo lenyuvesi. Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifundazweni Eastern Cape Brigadier Nobuntu Kantana uthi oza kwabe batholeke isidumbu sikamufi ngaphakathi emotweni ebimile. Uthi umbiko walabo-ke abahlola izidumbu kwamanje uveza ukuthi lesi sisebenzi sidutshulwe kamahlandla amaningana kanti-ke imbangela yaloku kudubula ikaziwa. Kusenjalo-ke lesi sigameko senzeka nje emasontweni ambalwa edlule abafundi balesi sikhungo bavuke umbhejazana betholana-ke phezulu nabakwaZidlodlo ngemva-ke kokudedelwa-ke ngebheli kukaManelisi Mampane osolwa ngokudubula-bulale komfundi kulesi sikhungo ngesikhathi kunezibhelu. Kanti kumkhandlu wenyuvesi uzwakalisa ukushaqeka ngalesi sigameko.
The council is deeply shocked and disturbed at what appears to be a brazen act of assassination. We send deep condolences to his family and extended family. We have escalated the incident to the law enforcement authorities. We are hopeful that we will act swiftly to apprehend the perpetrators and bring them to justice without delays.
Uhulumeni wase-Eastern Cape unqume ukuzilela-ke izisulu zezikhukhula ezingaphezu kwama-90 nokuyizikhukhula ezikhahlamezeke uMthatha ngesonto ledlule. Abafundi abayisishiyagalombili baseJumba Secondary School babalwa-ke kanye nabadluleke emhlabeni ngenxa yazo lezi zikhukhula.
Inkokheli zephondo abakwalizwi kunye nenkosi bagqwalisene emswaneni neentsapho ezibhujelweyo. Le ntlekele ishiye amawaka abantu beziimpula zikalujaca ukanti kusekho neentsapho ezisaxhelekileyo ezisakhangela amalungu azo.
Into enqabileyo ke leyo ba angabonakali umuntu. Akho ndawo singayinyathelanga around le ndawo. Ngaphandle bakothiwa ke ungaphandle komthatha ungapha ngezantsi xa uqala ingqeleni kutshona ezantsi.
Xa ndifikayo kuyakhangelwa ke izidumbu khangelwa abantu kufumaneke indoda kuqala which is uOnela Mkhida. Emva kwanelo kufumaneke uIsethu ifirstborn yabo. Kufumaneke isister yam uAsmeli Mkhida Ndubeni. Olukhanyo ilasibona 7 years akayikafumaneki sisakhangela yona.
Abafundi abakhathazekileyo besikolo samabanga aphakamileyo saseJumba nabo banika imbeko koogxa babo abangasekhoyo.
Mna umzekelo ndiluze i-classmate, i-deskmate. So ndiphazamisekile kakhulu akuzufana nakuqala.
Urhulumente wephondo uhlaba ikhwelo kwababandakanyekayo ukuba bahlangane ekuziseni uncedo kubahlali abachaphazelekayo.
Babonakele kakhulu emiphefumlweni, banida abantu ngaphandleni kwe-social workers, banida abantu abazawuthi nokubazama ukubaphilisa ngaphakathi emiphefumlweni abafana neenkonzo. Omasipala basondeze baqinisekise ukuba abantu abazokuhleleka nakweenkonzo ngexesha likho. So ngumyalezo esizohambisa uba wonke umuntu masimanyane ngoku sijongane nale ntlekelo ukubheka phambili.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMthatha.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa wethule inkulumo yosuku embuthwaneni wokuqhakambisa iminyaka engama-30 selokhu kwethulwa ukusebenza kwenkantolo yomthethosisekelo eNingizimu Afrika. Umengameli Ramaphosa ukhulume ngalokho osekuzuzwe yiNingizimu Afrika ngokwemigomo yezwe ehambisana ke nomthethosisekelo. Lo mbuthano ubanjuleke eConstitution Hill eBraamfontein.
Sekuphele iminyaka engama-30 kwethulwa ukuqala kokusebenza kwenkantolo yomthethosisekelo ngo-1995 eyavulwa ngokusemthethweni waba umengameli wokuqala kuhulumeni wentando yabantu uDkt Nelson Mandela ongasekho. Kuleli banga leminyaka ababeyingxenye yokuhlelwa nokushicilelwa komthethosisekelo emva kokhetho lwango-1994 bathi kuningi osekwenziwe umthethosisekelo wezwe ngokuguqulwa kwempilo zezakhamuzi ukubalwa phakathi ezempilo nokuqedwa kwesigwebo sentambo.
We created the biggest anti-retroviral program in the world because of the Constitution, because of the court. That's just one example. Another example would be the death penalty. I know lots of people think, oh, if we bring it back, we'll get rid of crime. The death penalty is government cruelty.
Inhloko yabehluleli eNingizimu Afrika ijaji uMandisa Maya uqaqule ukuthi kuzona zonke inselelo ongenzeka ukuthi ibhekene nezwe uhlaka lwezomthetho lusamile emgomeni wokuvikelwa kwelungelo lwa wonke umuntu ngokulandela inkambiso yomthethosisekelo.
We have entrenched the rule of law and judicial independence, abolished almost all, if not all, the unjust laws, and replaced them with progressive ones that are intended to entrench human rights.
Enkulumweni yosuku yalombuthano yethulo umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukhulume waqhakambisela phezulu izimiso zomthethosisekelo waseNingizimu Afrika njengohlaka lwezomthetho olwehluke kakhulu maqhathaniswa namanye amazwe omhlaba.
The Constitutional Court has developed a rich, transformative jurisprudence. These judgments are not merely legal decisions, they are decisions that have changed lives. They've also shaped our society and strengthened our democracy.
Lo bengunobhala jikelele weqembu umkhonto wesizwe uFloyd Shivambu uthi ke uzoqala uhlelo maduze lokubuza ke izakhamuzi zakuleli nezinhlaka ezehlukene ukuthi engabe sikhona yini isidingo sokusungula ke lingi iqembu lezombusazwe yize ke thi ke usayilunga eligcwele leMKP.
uFloyd Shivambu ugcizelele ukuthi kungamampunge ukuthi wasuswe esikhundleni sokuba ngunobhala jikelele ku-MK Party ngenxa yokuvakashela kwakhe ibandla likaShepherd Bushiri eMalawi. Uthi wasuswa ngenxa yezinkulumo zokuthi ufuna ukuketula umholi weqembu uJacob Zuma esihlalweni.
All the work that we're doing as Secretary General of establishing structures and identifying leaders was meant ultimately at the removal of President Zuma as president of Umkhonto wesizwe.
Ekujutshweni kwakhe eParliament uShivambu uchaze ukuthi wasetshenziswa kanjani omunye umbiko ukuze kuphazamiseke ukuthunyelwa kwakhe.
Another fake report was presented which claims to be WhatsApp conversations between me and someone else where I'm reported to be saying that yeah, I'm going to use Parliament now to take over the party. And I've got money from Stellenbosch who are going to take over the party through Parliament. They are taking me closer to where we're going to take power.
Kusenjalo Shivambu uzoqala uhlelo lokubonisana ngokuthi ingabe sikhona yini isidingo sokusungula kweqembu elisha nokuthi lingaxhaswa kanjani ngezemali.
Is there a need to form a political party? That is the first question that we're going to ask. That if yes, what should be the values and principles of that political party? And what should distinguish that political party from the existing political parties? So those are the questions that we're going to be asking. We're also going to ask as to how should that political party be funded? So those are the questions that we're going to be asking different communities and constituencies.
uShivambu uphinde wamemezela ukuthi ngeke esule njengelungu leqembu lomkhonto wesizwe.
Bukeleke sisathe qhu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizophathela ku WT.
There is no justice when it comes to this. Nothing will be enough.
Namhlanje kubanjwe inkonzo yomngcwabo kaZodwa Mdluli nowathola ke seshonile nobekade yisoka lakhe noma ke nesoka lakhe ebeliyintatheli uSibusiso Aseri Ndlovu ngemva kokunyamalala ngoNhlolanja. Ukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi amaphoyisa aphenya isigameko sokudutshula kubulawe kesinye seziphathimandla zenyuvesi Walter Sisulu uSinethemba Mpambane eMthatha eEastern Cape. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. I-Action SA inikeleke emahhovisi omnyango wezobulungiswa ePitoli ihambisa uhlu lwezikhalo kungqongqoshe walomnyango uMamluko uKhubayi. Leli qembu ke lifuna ukuba kungqongqoshe uKhubayi aceleke umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ukubeka akhombe indlela uAdvocate Shamila Batohi oyinhloko yeNPA.
Ihlangano le ithi iphiko lezokutshushiswa komphakathi kufanele lidose phambili ekutshushisweni kwamaqala okuhlukumeza ngobulili nokubulala, kodwana basho liyabhalela kwenza lokho. Basho abenzi balokho bazikhambela lula ngaphandle kokuthi batshushiswe.
We want to suspend it and we want a deep dive investigation into the NPA. We don't want them to fire her now because she'll go to court and she'll contest being fired.
Neke baba bongazimbi nabo bavele ngaphambili baveza ubujamo obuhlungu ekhe bahlangabezana nabo.
In 2019, I was falsely accused of raping my niece, who was 4 years old at that time. I was 32 years old. I was accused of this crime by the father of the child, who is my sister's ex-boyfriend.
I was all alone. I was not even working, but I never missed a court date.
Umengameli wehlangano Action SA ugandelela bona bazokuragela phambili nokulwela ubulungiswa bajamele abantu.
We have spent over 4 million rands in legal costs. The National Prosecuting Authority is in contempt of a court order after the inquest.
Upon receiving the letter from your office that you will be coming to her office, she indicates that she did write back to your office requesting for a meeting so that the issues that are contained in the memorandum can be ironed out.
Ngingunonhlanhla njengelo wendaba ze-SABC ngibeka ngisePitori.
Umengameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin uthi uyadlodlobala ubudlelwane phakathi kweRussia neNingizimu Afrika ngezimiso zokubambisana nokuhloniphana. Usho lokhu ke ngesikhathi emukele iphini likaMengameli waseNingizimu Afrika uPaul Mashatile eSt Petersburg.
Lamazwe omabili azosebenzisana ukuzadlondlobalise ukhwebelana okuzowahlomulisa womabili. Ekhuluma emhlanganweni nephini likaMengameli waseNingizimu Afrika uPaul Mashatile, umengameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin uthe ngonyaka odlule izinga lezohwebo likhule ngamaphesenti 2 kanti nengqungquthela yezomnotho yamazwe angaphandle ibise St Petersburg iyindawo enhle yokuqinisa ubudlelwane. uPutin uthe uqinisa ubudlelwane namazwe ase-Afrika kungenye yezinto ezibalekile kwelaseRussia kanti ngaphambi kokuhlangana nomengameli waseRussia uMashatile wethule inkulumo enyuvesi iSt Petersburg State. Ekhuluma ngeNingizimu Afrika njengoba izobe ingosokhaya be-G20, unxuse ukubambisana okwengeziwe emhlabeni wonke ukuze kunqotshwe izimpi zezohwebo, ukwentuleka kwemisebenzi, ukungalingani kanye nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Kusenjalo uthe iNingizimu Afrika izosingatha umhlangano we-G20 ngaphansi kwesihloko esithi Solidarity, Equality and Sustainability.
Iyaqhubeka impi ye-Iran ne-Israel njengoba sekupheleke isikhathi esingangesonto lempi iqalile. Lempi siholele ekutheni kudluleke emhlabeni abantu abaningi bakuwomabili-ke lamazwe. Kodwa-ke akacaci ukuthi iMelika izongenelela yini noma cha.
I-Iran ikhahlameze indawo eziningi e-Israel izolo nokubalwa kuzo nezibhedlela okudlule emhlabeni kuso abantu abangama-25. Kubukeka ngelulu ukuthi kube nokuthula njengoba umholi wase-Iran enqabile mangabe umengameli waseMelika ethi Iran ayiyekele ukulwa. Kafushane uthi Iran izoqhubeka nokuyibamba iqine njengoba ibhekene nalempi. Uthi ngeke iziyekele ukulwa. uTrump uthi akakanqumi mayelana nokuthi iMelika izongenelela yini kulempi noma cha.
I have ideas as to what to do, but I haven't made a final. I like to make the final decision 1 second before it's due, because things change. I mean, especially with war, things change with war. It can go from one extreme to the other.
Abantu baseMelika basho lokhu mayelana nesimo salempi.
Potentially do an awful lot of damage. Oil prices could spike. Food prices around the world could spike. It's going to probably cause a recession.
It all needs to stop, and the reason why is because there's innocent people that are being hurt, and I mean, and it's on both sides. But what's more important is that everyone that is innocent evacuate as soon as possible.
Lengxabane phakathi kwalamazwe amabili isiholele ekutheni kube nokukhathazeka ngokuthi ingaba nomthelele eMiddle East njengoba impi eseGaza isaqhubeka.
Usayitsheni Moses Mabaso uyaqhubeka nokuthola ubufakazi enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa. uMabaso utshela inkantolo ukuthi ezithombeni azibheka wabona ke isithombe somsola wesithathu umthobisi Mncube owayenezinyo legolide.
Usayitsheni Moses Mabasa utshela enkantolo ukuthi wacela ukuba abhekisise isithombe esinomlomo ovulekile nalapho abona kuso izinyo legolide.
The request was for me to identify a picture where I see an open mouth where teeth is visible. Try to identify where I see God.
Ubuzo ukuthi leso sithombe kwakungesikabani kwakuthiwa kasibhekeni.
As I've been working with accused number 3's pictures, yes, she did.
And did she give you a background as to why did she make this request, particularly where the particulars were conveyed to you as an open mouth, a teeth that was visible with gold? Did she give you a background as to why this request that was couched in these terms?
No background.
Utshela inkantolo ke ukuthi akanaso isipiliyoni sokuchaza amazinyo yena ubheka isithombe esiphambi kwakhe. Icala liyaqhubeka.
Namhlanje kubanjwe inkonzo yomngcwabo kaZodwa Mdluli nowathola ke seshonile nesoka lakhe intathelo Sibusiso Aserendlovu ngemva kokunyamalala ngoNhlolanja. uMdluli uchazwe njengomuntu obenothando futhi ewunakekela umndeni wakhe.
Yes, closure is there that we know now what really happened and we know where our mom is. But we are broken. My mom was very supportive, very loving. And I'll always remember her for her bubbly self, her energy, and someone who really loved to laugh. So I was a very great person. For me, there's no justice when it comes to this. Nothing will be enough. Whether they rot in jail, whether they die, whatever. The void is there. No justice.
Umndeni walo wayengunobhala jikelele ophiko lwentsha ye-ANC nowayeyikhansela eMzimkhulu uSindiswa Magaqa uthi uxolisekile ngenqubekela phambili esikhona ecaleni lokubulawa kwakhe ngo-2017.
Engakusho nje ukuthi umndeni waMagaqa ubonakala unethemba lokuba lokuba licala selizafikelela esiphilweni. Ewe kona ke the time lalisemzimkhulu enkantolo kwakukhona abantu ababebanjiwe ababebizwe ngamagama futhi kodwa ke kwabonakala ongazuthi sibaqambela amanga okanye baqanjelwa amanga ukuthi bayathinteka. Kodwa ke umsolo wesine njengoba eselivumile nje icala waphinde futhi wawaveza amagama abantu. Lokho kuyasethembisa ukuthi noko ke ngokele icala selizaqhubeka kahle lize lifikele esiphilweni.
Uma sibheka kwezemidlalo abalandeli bekhilikithi batheleke ngobuningi eNelson Mandela Square ukuze bezothola ithuba lokubona iqembu lesizwe Proteas ngemva kokuthi libuye nesicoco sokuqala se-ICC eminyakeni engama-27 iWorld Test Championship.
Thank you guys.
Njengoba bephume ngobuningi nje abantu bezobungaza kanye neProteas ukunqoba kwayo, abadlali baleli qembu babonge kakhulu kwesekwa, babalula nokuthi kusho lukhulu kubo njengabadlali ukuphuma kwabantu bezobungaza kanye nabo.
On behalf of the team, players, management as well, just like to say thank you for all the appreciation that you've shown us. You've really shown us what it means, what we've done out there. To see all you guys enjoy this moment with us, it makes us really proud for our efforts, and yeah, thank you for everything.
Balandeli bakuleli bekhilikithi balithakasele kakhulu ithuba lokuba kanye nalabadlali abababona njengamaqhawe.
I came here to celebrate the champions of South Africa, the cricket guys. I work here as well, so it's nice to be around here. My name is Elizabeth, and I'm here for KG. Love you, KG. I got all the autographs. I got all of them, and well done to the Proteas. We are behind them. Yeah, champions!
Leli qembu lakuleli libuye ngolwesithathu kulo leli sonto eLondon.
Bukele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu, unganyakazi siyabuya. Ukeleke sizibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona ke lozakwethu bayeza nezindaba ke magamanxa ihora lesihlanu ngolimi lweSwati. Thina ke siyabuya ke ngehora ke lesikhombisa. Ukele usale kahle.